Hey y'all, I'm back with another voiceover. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of these awesome finds that I got from Dollar Tree and how you can use them in your own home. If you're new to my channel, hi, how are you? I'm so glad that you're here. If you're an OG, welcome back, and I hope you enjoy this video. First up, and probably one of the best things that I've found, is baby proofing items at Dollar Tree. We have the cabinet closers and we have the outlet covers. Literally $1.25 for a 2-pack of the cabinet closers and $1.25 for like 20 of the outlet covers. So if you see here, I messed up. I put this on wrong, but they easily peel off. They don't take any paint off your cabinet. And you can just resecure it if you need to. I would suggest doubling up. Oh, there's the culprit. There's the reason we need those in the first place. But I would suggest doubling up your cabinet closers just so that they are more secure. And the outlet covers, I love them because you can still plug something in kind of like on top of the outlet cover. It's not blocking things off. Next, we have these really cool command hooks. I use these to hang my kids' jackets up on the back of their doors so that they are just not leaving their jackets on the floor. Works very well for that, so I would recommend using it for any clothing items. I did have the bright idea to use it to hang my Bona wet mop. However, it's too heavy for that, and when I got home, it was on the floor, so I don't recommend using it to hang heavy items. These right here, though, let me just tell you, best idea my husband has ever had. So these are, I think they're close to half-a-gallon jugs. So you know how your kids are getting up every night, mommy, I want water, daddy, I want water, blah, blah, blah. Well, we solved that issue by buying each of them their own jug to fill up every night. And it's super easy. The kids can do it themselves. The lids go on very easily, and they'll just keep it in their room, fill their water up just like this. And they don't have an excuse to keep getting up out of bed telling us that they're thirsty.
This is hard.
And I also got them some really cute decorations for their rooms. This was sort of a family affair. I helped them put their stuff up. I would suggest if you're going to buy these, again, they are from Dollar Tree, so they're not like super sticky. Make sure that you have a very flat surface to put them on. As you can see, our walls are kind of bumpy because of the type of paint used. So they stick better on the doors than they do on our walls. But if you have a flat surface wall, then you're good to go. And this is what it looked like when we were done. And then my other daughter, she had butterflies and like a really cute like design. She loves blue, so that is what she chose. And when she was done, it looked like there were like butterflies flying everywhere. It was so cute.
Just one more song.
Next up, we have these really cool snack containers. They snap close and they stack, so they are good on space. They are perfect for when you're on the go to like a doctor's appointment or anything like that. I love them. And then probably another one of my favorite purchases from Dollar Tree is these seeds. I think this is awesome, especially in today's economy where there are a lot of people who don't have access to, you know, like fresh foods and stuff like that, or even like stuff to create a garden because it can be quite pricey. You can get 4 packets of seeds for $1 at Dollar Tree, and I love this so much. So I got a bunch, as you can see, and we are going to start our seeds in jars because it is the season. If you turn it over on the back, it shows you the season in your area, so that way you know when you should start planting seeds and all that good stuff. But again, this is awesome, and I love that it's available. I also got some really cute decorative items. I got this little key hanger. I just thought it was cute. Nothing like crazy fancy. Fits 2 sets of keys, and it's perfect. And I felt like it goes with our shelf. In the girls' bathroom, I put up these, what I'm calling a towel hanger. Have cute sayings on them, and they had a rack in there, but it came off the wall. So this is a great replacement and for cheap as well. And then I have this bench in our hallway and I didn't have anything to put on it, so I thought this little home sweet home house would be perfect for that, and it goes so well with the sign that I have, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine." And I don't know, it's cute, and I might add like a jar of flowers or something to it. And lastly, the oil and vinegar pouring jars and a measuring cup. These oil and vinegar jars are perfect. They have the drizzle spout, so you don't have to waste a lot of your product. And this measuring cup is 4 cups, which is huge, and it's great if you are on a budget and just need a really good measuring cup. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that bell and like and subscribe. Bye.